Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo the word scout walks through VocabLand when a surprise sparkle rain begins to fall. The rain feels messy, but the moment still feels cheerful and light. A new word fits this hopeful feeling: sanguine. Sanguine means staying positive and hopeful, even when things go wrong. The rain continues, but smiles stay strong. Encouraging thoughts help the moment feel fun instead of frustrating. Staying hopeful keeps worries from taking over. Laughter turns the rainy moment into something joyful. Soon, brighter skies return just as hoped. Timo remembers that staying optimistic is called sanguine, and a positive outlook makes every journey brighter.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.